Adobe Acrobat is leveling up with AI integrations that are deeply embedded within your current workflows in Acrobat and Reader. I'm going to show you how to work faster, save time, and look like an expert using Adobe Acrobat AI Assistant. AI Assistant is a conversational engine, so I can simply chat with my document to find quick answers, generate one-click summaries, and even have creative outputs like brainstorming or coming up with talking points for a presentation. I can even craft an email. So say goodbye to all the time spent searching for the most relevant information because AI Assistant is here. It's available on desktop, web, browser extensions, as well as the Acrobat Reader mobile app. So you can use it anywhere, anytime, and on any device to get the help you need to get the information you want. I can use AI Assistant by uploading any document type in Acrobat: PDFs, Word docs, presentations, meeting transcripts, and more. All I need to do is drag and drop. Now, once my document opens, I'll see a toolbar at the top right of my screen. Here's where the AI Assistant, as well as generative summary icons, live in web and desktop. If you're looking for an encompassing summary of your document, then here's where you'll use generative summary. With just one click, generative summary automatically pulls out key points and helps me navigate my docs and get important information fast. Now let's dive deeper into the features of AI Assistant. An overview of the document will appear. This overview and any outputs from AI Assistant are gathered solely from the information provided in my document. Below the overview, I'm given a few suggested prompts that are there to help quickly guide me on where to get started on my project. Now, we have the basics down. Let's get started chatting with our document. While I really like the prompts that are suggested here, I would like a more specific question. So, not only do I have the option to ask questions, but I can also ask AI Assistant to help me analyze specific subjects within the document, brainstorm new ideas, edit existing content, and even create net new content. And that's what we're going to do right now. In this chat box, I'm going to type, "Write me a 100-word email in a professional tone listing the top 5 trending topics." Within seconds, I have an email drafted with those topics perfectly outlined. I can copy and paste directly into the body of my email and give it a personal touch before sending it off. AI Assistant also cites all of the sources here in the document where the information was retrieved, and this allows me to double check the relevance and validity of those answers. Save time and work smarter using the AI Assistant deeply integrated into Acrobat. Now, it's available on desktop, web, and mobile, so you can go out and create wherever you are on whatever platform you are on. It's your turn. Go try it. Upload some documents, use the AI Assistant, find your citations, get the most relevant information in just a few clicks.